Hey YouTube, back out squirrel hunting today. Today I'm using my little Cricket 22 with a red dot and not seeing much. Kind of cold, kind of rainy. So I figured I'd make a little video on my Canteen kit. Figured I was gonna make tea, so I had the camera, make a video. So let me get everything set up. I'll bring it back. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll be able to get the snow out of my pants. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Get everything set up. Alrighty, so basically I got my Trangia today. Usually this is my setup for just walking around in the woods or hunting because everything's small, it's not loud. I have other stoves, like I have a BRS stove, but it has that real loud jet sound, so if you're trying to be sneaky hunting, that doesn't really help you out too much. But go ahead and fill this up. Still got some fuel from the last time, but today I'm using denatured alcohol for the fuel. Usually this has been my fuel lately because it's cheaper, or I'll use heat, yellow heat. Works good. My matches here. Got a box of matches for seeing when I was leaving the kitchen. Seemed kind of traditional, so I like the idea of it. I think we're lit. Yeah, it's definitely lit. So we gotta let this get going, get the jets coming out. And then while that's going on, we're waiting for that. Go ahead and get some water here. Don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. Take the chill out. So, I got it over there. With my kit, I keep in a little loose leaf tea strainer because it's still lit. Yeah, it's lit. Definitely cold though, because I like to be able to add what I want. So I keep some black tea in a little Ziploc baggie. If I'm out in like the summertime or whatever, find some raspberries, I can add those to the tea. Things like that. Sorry, I thought I saw a squirrel. It's like, ooh, I might get to shoot one on camera. Well, you guys would hear it, but I wasn't trying to reset up a camera. So, wipe the crud off here. Sorry, I'm trying to get better at doing YouTube videos. It's one of my goals for 2026 is to actually get my channel to do something. Thank you for the subscribers that I have, but I want to be able to get my subscriber count up as high as possible. Go ahead and just stuck that in there now. Definitely getting hot, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on top. Actually, we are going to pull this out. Keep the heat in better. So, bring it back in a minute. I'll time it and see how long it takes to get everything heated up. And we'll go from there, I guess. So, bring it right back once this is hot and going. Alrighty, well, I got a confession. There was a squirrel and I completely zoned out and wasn't paying attention to the time, and I don't know how long it took to boil, probably about five minutes, somewhere like that. But started boiling, so we're actually going to go ahead and drop in my little tea thing. Get them lay down there, hook them on top, bring this over here so it can steep. Stay. Ferro rod here. Find this first. So if you ever didn't mess with a Trangia, it's really easy. You have an alcohol burner, as you can see. I hope you can see it on camera. All the flame coming through the top of the stove stand. But you have your lid, the screws on, seals it, and you have your simmer ring. I'll show you that in a second. Right now I gotta get my stove stand off of here because I don't want to just burn up the extra fuel. I usually leave it in there and it's fine. I haven't had any issues doing that. But ferro rod just fits right down in the stove stand hole. Pick it up, and we'll put it over here. Very hot. Do not, no touchy. Very hot. Alright, so with your Trangia, you see it's on fire, it's jetting out of the holes. This is your simmer burner, or your simmer ring. I forget exactly what they call it, but put it on there, lowers the flame. You can leave it wide open, or close it down a bit. Have a real small hole, so a real small fire, just simmer out of there. But usually I leave it full open on some kind of a stove stand, because usually my Trangia is in my Canteen kit, so it's mainly used just for making something hot to drink. So I just take my simmer ring, put it on top, puts it out. Now got my Canteen cup here. Oops. So steeping good in there. Water's really hot. But all in all, I think it took like 5, maybe 8 minutes to boil. I didn't measure, probably less than that. But I'd say somewhere around 5 minutes, give or take. There was, like I said, I got distracted by a squirrel hunting. I'm like, oh look, squirrel, try and shoot it. But no luck today. I'm hunting some really thick stuff. But if you can, give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'm gonna let this cool off a bit and go from there. And sorry, I thought I heard another squirrel. But let this cool off so I can drink it, go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thanks. God bless. Bye.